Okay, hi everyone. We are live. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being back in my channel. I am very happy to be back working on my game Spaceman Memories live with all of you through Twitch, X, Twitter, YouTube, and Kick. So thanks a lot everyone. Really appreciate it. We're gonna have a good time today, like in the other past few days where I've been having so much fun, getting so many good input, so many good ideas, just good talks, good stories and everything. So I'm looking forward to making exactly the same today like in the last few days. So feel free to leave a comment. If you're watching, wherever you're watching, just leave a comment. I will read it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow and wishlist Spaceman Memories on Steam. Okay, so let's start. So yesterday we were working with this crazy little market, right? Yeah, we had this crazy little market. I had been working yeah, I'm drinking Coke today. Yeah, Friday night. Okay, so we're working on this, and I had been modeling like at the end of the stream the this like some look like food, some look like objects, some look like magical stuff. Really don't know what would they be, but here they are. So let's look how this is starting to look. I'm thinking, so yesterday I was talking, right, that it could be interesting, it should be interesting to make the market like different, not just one underground story, right, like another story. Like we could go down, even more floors down, maybe just one floor, more floors down, just one. So let's keep extending this here to the left. Okay, we're gonna keep extending this to the left. So this is how it's looking. Rather nice, right? Rather interesting. Okay, so before continuing with this, let me just make sure that this one, let's fix like the hole of the elevator. Yeah, people were telling me that, so let's just fix that. So let me get this one. Okay, I'm gonna get the location of that one. Now this one, 758 minus 116. Is it the same one? Okay, no, it's not the same one. Let me double check something here. Okay, maybe. So the thing that I'm gonna do here is this. Okay, yeah, there it is. So will this fix like the hole for the elevator, right? Okay, no, it doesn't. I can't even go to... Oh yeah, I can, but it's tricky. I can fall. Okay, so let me see, because this one is exactly the size that I need. So I'm just gonna grab some of the attributes of this one. Okay, so copy and paste it to this one. Yeah, paste. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do now. So that assures me that this is the right size. I just gotta like make it the right height. Okay, pivot. Okay. Yeah, this makes sense. Okay, just a bit too much, right? Yeah. So let me disable this one. Pivot, set pivot offset. Okay, there. This works. Okay. So now if I go down there, this should look like what I'm looking for. The scaling should be okay. Okay, yeah, see? So yeah, we fixed it there. We fixed it. Okay, so what else could we do here? Yeah, I'm just gonna grab this one and copy and paste one and one. Yeah. So I'm just making sure that the snapping from one mesh to another one is the right one. That's why I brought it all the way from there. Okay, so this looks nice. Now this. And almost there, and we're almost set. Okay, see, now we have like the right space for the elevator snapping there. Yeah, because people were giving me shit about it in a couple streams. So yeah, I was meaning to fix it. Okay, there it is. Awesome. Great, see? It now snaps to the right space. I can go in there, and there it is. We could fall, but we'll think about that later, about the falling, right? Let's just continue extending this part of the world. Okay, so these flags, They look nice, they look interesting, but this doesn't make sense. So I should have like one of these poles, right? So let's fire up Crocotile so I can just export this one. Just that specific piece. Okay. So troll market tent. Yeah, this one. Okay. The only thing that I need here is this. That's all that we need. Awesome. I'm gonna copy and paste this one. No. I just changed like the units for movement. They were too short, like 1. We need 8. To make it just quicker, right? So a scene. Let's create a new object. This one's going to be wooden pole 01. We're gonna export this one where this one was. Troll market tent 01. Yeah, it's just the same name because I'm gonna be using the same material. Yeah, export 20. And let's just find that one. Okay, awesome. Let's go back into the engine. And let's see some of this stuff. Yeah. We're gonna place it in the same folder, right? Yeah. Awesome. Here it is. So this is just the same material of the tent, because I already have that texture imported. Nice. And now we can place it here. Yeah. This is what we needed. Yeah, so it does feel like it is hanging from something, right? Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna fire up Obsidian to see our references. Okay, so we were looking at different kind of references yesterday, right? For the markets, like which kind of objects, which kind of colors. Yeah, we were thinking about the flags. Okay, maybe we can do some fishes, right? Let's try and see like if there is like a very simple like fish PNG. Okay, vector. Yeah, this could be very easy. It's just like the flag. Okay, fish. I like that fish just hanging in there. And it's gonna be very simple, just like a flat, transparent plane with opacity. So yeah, fish. We're looking for an interesting one so we can turn it easily into pixel art. Maybe this one. You do look interesting, Mr. Fish. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one. And let's fire up Aseprite. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. Yeah, this one. Here we'll see the scale. Maybe this idea works, maybe it doesn't work. Sometimes this works with certain things, certain images. Sometimes it doesn't. So let's open up the fish. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm just gonna delete that. We'll cut the fish. We'll bring it over here. Okay, that is a big ass fish. But if we down sample it, yeah, it may look interesting. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, so first thing first, let's bring this one into another layer, just so I'm sure about this. So this layer, adjustments, effects, outline. Okay, yeah, nice. So now I can bring this into Crocotile, and you'll see which stupid thing I want to make. Okay, maybe here. So maybe a tad bit smaller. Okay, so where is the grid? Where is the grid? Show grid. Okay, yeah, there it is. Okay, yeah. Maybe this works. We're gonna export it just for the sake of seeing it, how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna save this one. Okay, this is just the same file. Okay, let's save this one also. Load the flags, the new tile set. Okay, where is this? Props, market, flags. Okay, here it is. Let's see if our little fish texture works. I think it may work. Maybe. Okay, so what about this? No, not working yet. The texture should be better aligned. Okay, yeah, now yes. Gonna replace that one. So this is just like minor details, right? Minor props, like from the background. That's why I'm not gonna do this by hand. It would be too time consuming. Yeah, doesn't even make sense for me to go and draw all of this from scratch just for like this hanging fish on the back. Okay, yeah, doesn't look that stupid. So let's try it. I'm gonna select all of this. I'm gonna copy and paste it, and we're gonna make another version here. Okay, we'll delete this one. We'll grab the fish. And almost there. Okay, there it is. There's the fish hanging. So we can bring it to the market, right? Okay, let's turn all of this into its own object. Awesome. Okay, this one is going to be flag 02, I think. Yeah, I think that would be the correct name. Flag 01. Okay, flag 02, it's gonna be this one. So Nick Stevens, hey my man, how are you? Thanks for being here, really appreciate it. Sakuraya, my dudes, says nice fish. How's everyone? Really happy to see you guys here. I'm just having fun here, right? Like trying different crazy stuff, making things on the go, trying to find new workflows on the go of the live stream. Because I told you guys on the Discord server, right, that I have been having so much fun. So how's everyone? Have you been working on your own projects? Tell me everything on the chat. Really appreciate it. How's your Friday night or Saturday morning, depending on where you are? Okay, let's save this one and let's bring it into the engine. I did it just today. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that fucking fish, that is too complex. But yeah, you just gotta find out like the easiest ways for certain things. So Nick Stevens says on YouTube, doing well, man. I'm really happy about that, Nick. Really appreciate you're here. So Sakurai says, I'm good, bro. Happy to see you doing hips lately. It's been really motivating. You have been really motivating too, Sakurai. I have been seeing your work on the Discord server, and it has been very good. So you as well have been motivating. So Nick Stevens on YouTube, I was just working on a little punk clone and I'm failing so hard. Holy shit. You're gonna tell me everything about that. Sakurai says, played some tennis. Oh, sportsy dude. Awesome, man. Didn't know you play tennis. That sounds fun. How many times a week do you play tennis? And Nick, what software language are you using to make the punk clone? That shit sounds maybe difficult on depending on what tools are you using for it. Yeah, that's cool. Cool stories, people. We're starting the stream with very cool stories and vibes today. Okay, let's go back into the folder of the flags. Import the props. We've got this one in the props folder, right? Where is this? Market, yeah. Flags. And here it is. Our fish. Nice. I'm just gonna import the other one. There it is. Yo, so Sakurai, yeah, I saw your message. Nick Stevens says, I'm in C# using Unity. Awesome, dude. So how long have you been working with Unity? When did you install it? That sounds awesome. Very interesting. How is it going, the process of working with it? So the Memory Monkey, hello. How are you? How is your game going? Did you work on the game today? I hope you did work on the game today. Everybody's working on their games today, people. So yeah, we're hearing stories like Sakurai went to play tennis, but I'm pretty sure that you also work on the game. Nick also working on a punk clone. And the Memory Monkey, let's see if you played your work on your game, and also you played your game. Okay, I'm gonna turn this one into another material very easily, very quickly, right? Yeah, this one may need a mask. Yes, this one may need a mask, so we're gonna fix that. Report with new file, create material. This one is flags, mat flags 2. Yeah, flags 2. Awesome. So see, yeah, this one needs, because this one has opacity for the fish. So this one needs the mask. Flags 2. See, there it is. It's just fucking black. Doesn't make any sense. So I'm reading comments on the chat. So Nick Stevens says, I feel weird posting link here, but here's the full deal. I don't know if you're gonna be able to post the link, dude, because of how the bots are set up for the stream. So you could send it to me through Discord. Yeah, I think I have the links disabled because on previous live streams like last year, I received some spam links. So yeah, I disabled that because of that. So just send it to me through the Discord. I'll be watching for it. The Member Monkey, yeah, I worked on my game and I'm doing good. Awesome, the Member Monkey. Really happy. What kind of features did you implement today, or which kind of features are you working on specifically in these last few days? Okay. So the mask. Yeah. We're gonna make this one very simple. I just wanna remember how I set up the trees material. Here it is. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna use the same one, right? Yeah, it makes sense. Just get the alpha. Yeah, that's how I did it. Didn't use like for the glowing. I do need a mask, specific mask for this one. No, I do not. Okay, just the alpha on the opacity. Okay, let's set this one to translucent. Apply, and there it is. Awesome. Or mask. Yeah, mask. Mask, it's better. Yeah, I remember. Okay, I'm gonna apply that one. And let's go and see the flags again. Also, Nick Stevens says links get blocked. Well, basically, the ball changes direction when it collides with the player paddle. It doesn't do so when it collides with the walls. Okay, yeah, that is interesting. You gotta solve that out by yourself, but yeah, solve it by yourself. Don't go into ChatGPT. ChatGPT is gonna solve it very quickly. Yeah, you should do it by yourself. That's like the best way for learning. So the Member Monkey says, well, today we just researched how I should update my UI with my game state. I'm using an ECS for my game. Awesome. Working on good stuff, my dude. Working on good stuff. Nick Steven says, just message you the link. Okay, Nick. I'm gonna see it on Discord. So, the Member Monkey, yeah. This is an interesting question. Because you're using Lua, right? Are you... do you sometimes use large language models like Claude or ChatGPT to generate code for Roblox Studio? Are they working okay with Roblox Studio? Do they give decent code, or do they get very lost? Yeah, that is an interesting question. I would very much like to hear your answer. Okay, the flags. Oh, so Nick, we can see your game here. Okay, so this is Nick Stevens' Pong game that you're currently working on, right? So this Nick, our friend, game developer Nick, you should give him a subscribe on YouTube, Nick Stevens Music. I'm gonna subscribe here. Let's see the Pong. Yeah, there it is. Okay, C#. Awesome. There it is, the C#. Okay, let's see how the... Okay, Nick, yeah. Yeah, that is funny. Yeah, so the paddles send things to the other side. Yeah, gotta keep pushing, man. This is the game dev life. Just doing shit that doesn't work every fucking day, dude. Every fucking day I'm doing shit that just breaks my game. Any new mechanics. I've been working like on the battle system, and that shit is like breaking my head completely. My brain gets very difficult. Yeah, so thanks, Nick. Thanks a lot for sharing that. So the member monkey says, yeah, ChatGPT 01 is surprising good with Luau. Okay, that is interesting. Because in the time that I used Roblox, Roblox Studio, no, it didn't even exist, right? I'm talking about a couple years now, 2020, 2021. And ChatGPT didn't even exist. You had to go like to forums, right, to the documentation and shit to make things work and try to find out code. So that's very, very interesting. Yeah, thanks for sharing that. Didn't know that it became good with. Okay, no, not that one. Let's bring this one here. Let's place the fish here, right? Okay, there. Why are you not working, dude? Oh, okay. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so there's the fish, people. Looks very, very interesting. Okay, let me fix the marlin, the X from edit pivot point. So Nick says on YouTube, yeah, dude, it's fun being all the way back at square one with another creative thing. Yeah, that is life, dude. That is for me feeling like a rookie, like feeling like I suck at something, that I am bad at something, is something that very much pushes me. Yeah, I really like that feeling of starting from scratch. Yeah, so you are very, very much right about that. Okay, so the fish looks interesting. Let's get rid of this and we'll add some of these poles right here, right? Yeah, the wooden poles. We could make this part without shops. Yeah, like a corridor. I'm gonna do that so we can extend this whole floor, so we can continue with the other one. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. So the member monkey, thanks for telling me that it works, because I was trying the other day. There was something that I just wanted to find out which node I needed here on the live stream, so I went into ChatGPT and I think it was Zach. Yeah, Sakuraya told me, does ChatGPT even fucking work with Unreal Engine? And I told him that it was like tossing a coin. Like sometimes it will give you like the best answers, sometimes it will give you very, very stupid answers. And that day it did give me a good answer, a correct answer. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, the large language models can be very tricky. You gotta learn to prompt, right? Yeah, gotta learn to prompt to make them sometimes do what you need specifically for your specific needs. Okay, we're getting like this interesting corridor, so we can populate it. Okay, let me grab. Okay, let me just move this one a bit to here, so it makes sense with the collider that we have in place. Okay, some lights. Let's move the lights. Okay, how about that? Let's go and see how the fishes look. Let's see how the fishes look. So, Diddy Dot. Oh, it's Timeless here. How are you, my man? Yeah, it's good. It's good that you're here through Twitch. Yeah, really, really appreciate it. Thank you for coming in to the stream, Timeless. Yeah, how are you? How you been? What are you working on today? So the member monkey says, which ChatGPT model did you use? The most recent one, the one that is not for the pro plan. Yeah, that's the one that I used the other day. Oh yeah, it's the one for the pro plan, because I was on like the free messages that I get for the day, but that gave me like that correct answer. for what I was needing at that specific moment. Okay, so the fish looks nice, right? Looks very interesting. We can get close to the shop. Yeah, the camera works for the shop. Let's get through the market. Let's traverse the market. Okay, yeah, now we're talking. Very, very interesting. I don't know if we should be able to go back there. I think I'm just gonna play some crates. Yeah, just for the sake of being organized of which places you can walk into in this underground market. So the Memory Monkey, which model have you been using for luau code? Have you tried Claude, dude? Does Claude work for you? Because Claude seems to be way more powerful in many programming stuff. Okay, let's see the references. Let's see the market. So yeah, we figured out how to make the fish hanging from somewhere, right? That's very, very interesting. Let me see what else. Okay, let's go into Google, people, to see more references. So Japanese traditional street market. Yeah, there's a lot of seafood in these markets, right? Yeah, I have seen that. It is a very important part of the Japanese culture. Okay. Oh, yeah, we did have like some shops, right? Yeah, we can bring them, some of those here. We could turn them like into cafes. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so I'm just looking around. Okay, let's make some bread, right? Yeah, let's make the bread shop so we can keep populating like this world. Okay, so the bread shop. Okay, first let's put up some crates here. Yeah, just for the sake of organization. So it makes sense that you're not gonna be able to go to certain places, right? Yeah, we're not gonna be able to go to the back. Okay, so the Memory Monkey says the market is looking pretty good. Thanks, my dude. Really appreciate it. It's so funny, right? Because I come into the live streams and sometimes I do have like a clear idea of like some of the first live streams that I started doing last week. I had like a clear idea, like I want to do this today and I'm gonna go for this today. But in like this past few 3 live streams, the 3 last ones, I just went like organic, like okay, let's see how the flow goes, which ideas come in the live stream. So it has started to turn out good, the market. So Timeless says, hey, Twitch wasn't loading good. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that, but thank you for watching in whichever site that you're watching. Yeah, thank you, Timeless. Really appreciate it. The Memory Monkey, I haven't tried Claude. Maybe I'll take a look at it later. Yeah, I really don't like the UI of Claude, people. Something about it, about the lettering, the colors doesn't click with me, but the model is fucking powerful. It is very, very powerful. Yeah, Claude is very much powerful, and some of the ways that it works. So we can see Claude here. Let's check out Claude so you can see what am I talking about. Like, I'm pretty sure this will get more powerful and more consistent with its answers, because I could ask Cloud like something very simple, like could you make material blueprint graphic for a masked material with transparency. Okay, so let's see what Claude does here. Okay, so it's like Okay, I should have been more specific. So this one, okay, it got lost a bit there, but if I just add like 4 Unreal Engine, see what happens if I just tell it. Yeah, 4 Unreal Engine 5, it's gonna... Okay, it can start like to generate graphics. The flow chart. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's just how these models are. Okay, see? This is what I was talking about. So sometimes, depending on the prompting, Claude will start giving you the flow charts. And I've tried like with some blueprints, it can give you blueprints, like the flow chart for a blueprint. Maybe not something complex, but it will get there someday. Yeah, it will get there. That's very interesting because I haven't seen that functionality in ChatGPT. Yeah, like that chart, like the flow chart. Yeah. So maybe it can work for Roblox Studio, the Memory Monkey. Okay, where were we? So buildings, urban buildings, yeah, modular tower. Yeah, we had this one, right? So okay, so this one looks interesting, but it doesn't. The thing that I don't like, maybe I will just make another version, right? Because it doesn't make sense that this one has like that. Let me see, like on the top. Doesn't make sense that it has the solar panels because it's underground. Yeah, see the solar panels on the texture? That doesn't make any sense. So we'll see if I keep that one or if I do a new one. Okay, almost done populating. So the Memory Monkey says, oh, the shards are nice. Yes, they are nice. They are certainly going to get there, in which you will ask for like blueprints for something like Unreal Engine and it will give you like the flow chart. So maybe for Luau, for Roblox Studio Code, it is already there. Yeah, because these large language models do understand better the written code at the moment. Okay, let's see how this looks. So this one is going to be our bread store, right? Yeah, we'll turn this one into the bread store. Okay, light. Point light. And that's the one that I was using the other day. Yeah, the point light. Yeah, I think that works. Yes. Okay, maybe a bit to here. Yeah, so we can see like the front, right? Yeah, and maybe 12. Yeah, that one works. Okay, let's go see how that one looks on the underground market. Okay, so I like the flags. The flags look nice. Okay, there is our watermelon shop. Funny shop. This is going to be our bread shop. Okay, yeah. We're gonna be able to see like the bread on top of each other. Let's go and make the bread. Let's go into Crocotile just to make the bread. It's going to be like very simple geometry, right? Nothing fancy, just a couple of rounded brown geometry. Yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we're not able to go there. Okay, let's go back into the food. I'm gonna save this one. We'll figure out some other flags later. So, food props. Okay, this one. Okay, this was the fucking watermelon that I wasn't able to make the other day. Yeah, that is embarrassing, showing the unfinished cotted watermelon. Okay, the tile said, let's see. On Aseprite, I had like the... Yeah, food, this one. Okay, so the bread. The bread is going to be very, very simple. I think I'm just gonna grab this and start like moving it around. View, grid, show. Okay, so Sakurai, you didn't tell me more about the tennis. How many times a week do you play tennis? I have played a couple of sports in my life. Like the most recent fixation, because I always get a fixation, like over fixation with whichever activity, hobby, sport I have at that moment in my life. My most recent one in the last few years has been cycling. Yeah, I have loved cycling. I haven't been cycling that much in the last few months. I am not gonna lie. And I should have, because it can be very good for my health. So I should definitely go back into that. I haven't played tennis like Sakurai said on the chat. So that's why I'm asking you. Because it's a different sport from the things that I have played. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna make like some baguette bread and some like rounded bread. So whichever of this works. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one. So is this like, no, this isn't like the bread color, right? Let's find like more of a bread color. Yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah, I think this one will work for our very simple bread store. Okay, let's go back into Crocotile. Food again, the same one. Replace it. Where are you, food? Props, market. Yeah, I had made like its own folder, right? Okay. Let's try the food. Yeah. Okay, here it goes, the bread. First bread. Just a cube, people. It's just a cube. It is deceptively simple. Yeah, just the crazy ass cube. That's all that I need. Just add some edges, subdivide the faces, and just make it a bit more rounded from like the top and the under part of the whole mesh. Okay, there it is. Faces, subdivide. Maybe 4? Nah, maybe No, yeah, 4. Yeah, 4 works. So this one, and this one. We'll just make them, scale them down. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna bring these ones to the top, a bit up. And we're almost there with our first bread. I'm just gonna make like 2 breads. Like the baguette one and this one. Yeah. Nothing else. Not gonna take like 2 hours on the crazy bread. Yo, Timeless, you still there, dude? Did you join the Discord? Because you told me you were going to do the cotted watermelons, right? We should talk about the watermelons. That was a very interesting conversation. The watermelons, man. No. I'm just gonna select all of these vertices. Yeah. Unselect these ones. And now, yeah, this could be like the simple bread. Yeah, this is like the simple bread. Okay, let's try the baguette. Okay, where's the music? Okay, there it is. So how would the baguette bread work? Okay, yeah. Very simple cylinder, right? Yeah, the typical thing that you've been seeing on the past few live streams. Like, this is very, very fundamental stuff of 3D modeling, low poly stuff, but the fundamentals are very important. You should always keep practicing them, because you're gonna need them in one way or another. Okay, doesn't look like bread, but now it's gonna look like the baguette. Columns 4 by 4. Yeah, I think. Nah, too much. Yeah, that's too much. I do not even need all of those faces. I think we're just gonna go with the 2 by 2. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, 2 by 2. So the Memory Monkey says on YouTube, "Oh, I need to get into modeling." You should. You should. It is very, very important knowledge. And by the way, dude, can you bring like your own assets into Roblox, or you have to like bring them through the Roblox marketplace so they are part of the library, or can you import like the OBJs? I can't remember that, because I always use like the assets that you had like on the marketplace, right? Like the library, the built-in library. So yeah, tell me that if you can model things and bring them into the engine from other software. Have you done that? Timeless on YouTube. Yeah, I don't see the Discord. Okay, Timeless, I'm sending it to you right now on the chat. So chat, check out the last messages. There you will find the NerdyPunkDev Discord, where you can find me. You can share your projects. Please, people, share your projects. I would love to see other game devs, other creators, programmers, illustrators, anything. Very open to see anyone's work. So I'm sending it right now. Okay, there it is. There it is. Okay, so the Member Monkey on YouTube says, yeah, you can import meshes and stuff. Okay, so you definitely need to get into modeling. You definitely need to get into 3D modeling, dude. It will help you a lot. Which type of modeling are you attracted to? Like more realistic stuff or more low poly stuff? Yeah, what is the thing that you like the most? Okay, this one, flip edge, and this one, flip edge. Okay. This is flip edge. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is what I needed. And this ones, we'll just move them a bit. And this one not too pointy. And yeah, there is like the start of our kind of baguette. So yeah, the Member Monkey, what are you looking to get into? Like more realistic modeling or more low poly? Okay, new message. We're gonna boot this guy from the chat. So everyone, say bye-bye to this bot from Kick. Goodbye, bot. Bye-bye. Okay, the Member Monkey on YouTube. I want to get into low poly voxel stuff. Since the blocks in my game are voxels, I want more detailed things to match. Okay. Yeah, voxel stuff. Have you tried? I used a while ago I used Magica voxel for voxel modeling. Yeah, I was working with this other software that I'm very happy to talk about because I fucking love it. It's just that I've been a bit busy with Unreal Engine. That's why I haven't been using it, but I had been using it with RPG in a Box. Very good piece of software. It's a game engine made with Godot. That is very interesting, right? A game engine made with another game engine. So RPG in a Box is a very interesting game engine in which you can make all sorts of stuff. Yeah, and it is a voxel engine. So I made some stuff in Magica voxel that I was able to bring into RPG in a Box. So I can remember those times very, very fondly. So you should try Magica voxel, the Member Monkey. Yeah, that is like what you need. Okay, what was I going to do here? Okay, yeah, this. Okay, there it is. Oh shit, I didn't unselect the voxel from here, from the top. Yeah. Gotta be careful with that. Okay, I think this will be enough for our baguette. So the Member Monkey says, I want to get into low poly voxel stuff. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Coffee Streambot, 1 hour already, people. Night. Thanks a lot for commenting on Twitter. Yeah, do not get that much comments on Twitter, so I'm very happy that you commented on Twitter. Night says on Twitter, what is the game story going to be about? Okay, that is a very good question. Thanks a lot for asking. So the game story for Spaceman Memories goes something like this. This is a Japanese spaceman, so the game is set in Japan, right? Like in a kind of like futuristic Japan. Not that much in the future, but just a bit of years in the future. And this Japanese spaceman comes from space. By the way, I'm just gonna ping the Steam link so you can find it on Steam, but I'm gonna talk about it here because I'm very happy to talk about it. So the Japanese spaceman comes from a mission in space, like wakes up from the hypersleep from a mission in space, comes back to the Earth, and finds out that he doesn't remember anything anymore. Yeah, he has lost his memories of being into hypersleep state. So you gotta go in the journey of recovering the memories of the spaceman, which connects the story ends up connecting to Japanese ancient mythology in ways that could connect like with the family culture. And also the enemies are going to be ancient Japanese spirits, which Japanese people call yokai, right? So we're gonna have like good yokais, good spirits, and bad spirits, which are going to be the enemies of the turn-based battles. So you're gonna go on this journey to recover the memories of the spaceman throughout solving puzzles and also fighting against these ancient spirits that have overrun the world after you came from the mission in space. So that's why it's called Spaceman Memories. So thanks a lot for asking, Knight. Don't know if that answers your question. Was really happy to answer it. You can find the link on the chat. I just placed it on the chat. I do not know if you can, if the link, because the way Restream works, I don't know if any of the comments that I place on the chat are appear on Twitter. But you can find the link on the first message, the first tweet on my profile. There you can find the link to the Steam page. And there you can find Spaceman Memories if you'd like to wishlist it. So thanks a lot for asking, Knight. Really, really appreciate it. So the Member Monkey, have you seen Magica Voxel? That could work for you. Magica Voxel could work for you. It works with specifically with the voxel format. So Knight says on Twitter X, that sounds very interesting, very excited to play. Thank you, Knight. Really, really appreciate it. That makes me very happy. Yeah. So the main thing about Spaceman Memories is like my biggest dream, besides like making a game, right? Like the biggest dream that I've had like from my younger years, getting into computer stuff and making things with computers, was telling stories. Yeah, so I do want to tell a story throughout Spaceman Memories. It's not just about the mechanics for me, it's about telling a deep story. Because before, when I was younger, I wanted to get into 3D animation, but yeah, that is very hard. That is a very hard market to get into from the place where I live. So yeah, didn't end up getting like into a studio or anything. That was like my dream, like getting into an animation studio to make movies and tell stories. I would like to tell stories. That's like the main thing. So that's why I went into making a game. I just wanted to tell a story. It's mostly that. If there are mechanics and programming and coding and 3D modeling in the process of it, well, that's good for me. But it's because I want to tell the story. So yeah, I hope that the story of Spaceman Memories turns out to be good. Okay, this one's going to be food props. So we've got the bread, people. We've got the fucking bread. Okay, market prop 8 and export to OBJ. Market prop 9. Awesome. So the Member Monkey says on YouTube, yeah, I've heard of Magica Voxel. I don't want my models to be exactly voxels. Okay. More so low poly like Minecraft models. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. I've been interested in Blockbench for that. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so go for Blockbench. So I have been like receiving peer pressure for a week now with Blockbench. It's just that I've been working on my off stream time. I've been working on other stuff of the game. Like these 3 hours that I stream every night, it's not the only hours that I work on the game, right? It's just the hours that I live stream about the game. So I've been a bit busy to get some things ready for a game festival that I have to send like the demo build. And yeah, haven't had like the right mindset to sit and start learning Blockbench and see how it works. But many people have come into the stream and told me about Blockbench, and it seems very good. I have seen very good results with it. Yeah. Okay, let's go into the folder and let's bring the bread for our bread store. Okay, this one and this one, right? There it is. Awesome. And I'm gonna re-import with new file. And there it is. Okay, so very easily, I'm just gonna apply this one. Food, market props. Yeah, market props. Is this the one? Yeah, there it is. Our bread, our rounded bread, and our baguette. Okay, awesome. Let's save before anything bad happens, like in the other live streams. Okay, so let's start populating our store. Maybe this is a bit too small for my taste at the moment. I'm just gonna make it a bit, just a bit bigger. Okay, there it is. Let's start like placing bread. So I'm gonna go with the easy way for this one. Yeah. Yeah, let's go with the easy way. Let's see if one of the blueprints work to make a bunch of fucking breads very quickly. Okay, trees, round blue tree. Let me check some blueprints here. Yeah, not that one. No, not this one. Where are you, blueprint? So I've got like this blueprint like for forests. Is it called forest? Can't recall if it is called forest. Yeah, in which I duplicate trees very quickly. Wanna grab like some code from that. Some visual scripting. Where is that? So the memory monkey, have you tried Blockbench yet? Sports gun. Where the fuck is this one? I cannot find that fucking blueprint. Where are you, blueprint? I should have named it fucking forest. I don't know why I didn't name it forest. That is fucking stupid. Okay, here it is. This is the one. So this is what this blueprint does. If I place just one of these trees, we're not gonna have these trees here, right? We're just playing around. So I have this one and I can start instancing meshes very easily. Like this. I have like, let me show it here. Gonna move Unreal Engine to the left so you can see it on the screen. So on the details here on the right, you can see that I have like this like public variables. They're called instance editable on Unreal Engine. And if I start doing this, see, I can easily start to have like this crazy forest. Yeah, just by adding numbers horizontally and yeah, horizontally, not vertically. Yeah, to the X and Y axis, because C is the one for up and down in Unreal Engine. So there it is. I'm gonna use a copy of this one. Let's go back into the props. Food. Okay, new folder. Blueprints. Let's see if we can make like a bunch of bread very quickly, so I can use this everywhere else. So the Memory Monkey on YouTube. So you haven't tried. Okay, you haven't tried Blockbench. Yeah, our friend Zachariah, don't know if Zach left, has been doing very interesting stuff with Blockbench. You can see a bit of it on the Discord server. He posted some stuff, so I saw like this kind of dome structures, like a house, like an igloo. So you can see that. He told me he did that in Blockbench. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste this one here. Did it paste? No, it didn't. Okay. Overall props, food, blueprints. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. I do not need that one. I'm gonna go into the construction script. So all of this happens in this thing in Unreal Engine called the construction script, which is to make, like, at least in the way that I use it to make this procedural stuff pre-runtime. Yeah, so before runtime I can place things with this okay, static mesh. Let me see. So this one is market prop 8 and market prop 9. Okay, let's close all of these tabs because it is getting a bit disorganized. Okay, yes. Yes. So Knight says, are you still in Honduras? Or so, have you any meet and greets? No, Knight. I do not have any meets and greets. I am still in Honduras. That is a very good question. Yeah, thanks for asking. I am still in Honduras, but meet and greets are... this is like not like the first project that I've done, dude, like working on a game. I have worked like in other different creative endeavors here, and I have like tried to do like meetings about different topics. I was into cycling, other nerd stuff, like other computer stuff, and I have tried like make events and a couple times, most of the time people didn't even show up. So yeah, now I just procrastinate doing things like that. But I was thinking about going back and making like a game developer club if I find like people that want to meet and we can share our own processes. So that would be very interesting, Knight. If you told me that you're into computers, you'd like to make games and shit, we should definitely do something, because I would very much would like to build a community here. It's just that I make things, dude, and people then don't show up. I have been doing that like for 10 years now in different kind of topics and areas and fields, but we should definitely try something. So thanks a lot for reminding me about that, because I should definitely do that. Yeah, definitely. So we've got new comments. Timeless says you should do Crocotile tutorial. I just bought it. Holy shit. Timeless, that is good. That is good. Okay, people. So Timeless, Yeah, gave me a good idea. Maybe we'll just make one of these live streams. We'll just make it like a tutorial live stream. I'm gonna announce it as a tutorial live stream, and we can go through the basics of the software. Okay. Very good that you bought it, Timeless. That's cool. Really appreciate it. So Nick Stevens says, my mom used to scuba dive in Honduras a lot. Holy shit. Where? Roatan or Honduras? Or Utila? Ask her. Roatan or Utila? She's gonna know which one I'm talking about. Yeah. So HEM looks amazing. Good luck. A game dev here. Oh, HOM. How are you? Thanks a lot for being here. Really appreciate it. That is a very good comment. Very encouraging comment. I'm very happy that you're also a fellow game dev and you're on the channel. What are you into? Like, which software are you using? Which engine? What kind of game are you using? Tell me everything. I'm happy to talk about that. So Francisco Velasquez on X Twitter. What's up? Will you add bump mats or anything like that? So I've been using which I keep like confusing like the bump mats with the displacement maps. And which are the bump mats? Let me just... Okay, so the bump maps look like the normal maps sometimes, right? Yeah, okay, so this is a bump map and this is a displacement map, people. So Francisco asked me on X Twitter if I'm using, so for example this one. No, I am not using bump maps. I don't know if they work in or if they have another name in Unreal Engine, but I am using displacement maps, these ones that you see here. Yeah, I am using those ones with Nanite. Okay, let's wait for this shit to load. And I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna instance static mesh. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here what I'm talking about. Like, for example, this one. For this one, I am using a displacement map, people. You can see, I'm gonna show you. This is very interesting. This is a very good question. Let's go into optimization, level of detail, optimization viewpoints. Which one? Wireframe. Yeah. If you can see here, like all of these squares that you can see on the floor, this is just one face, people. This is just one face. Like each section, it's just one face. The geometry that comes from the external software, it's just one face. But I'm using Nanite, which adds like this detail. So you can see this, right? Those aren't faces on the geometry. This is a displacement map. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's open up this one. So see this? This is a displacement map. So if I disable that displacement map on the material, let's go into the material. I'm gonna disconnect this node. See? I'm gonna apply it and go back into the mesh. This is how the mesh looks without the displacement from Nanite. It's just a flat material. Also, let's disable the normal map so you can see just a flat texture. So HOM on YouTube says 8 years in game dev, working in Unreal Engine since April 2018. That's a lot of time, dude. You've had quite a lot of experience, right? So I'm happy that you're here. I'm happy. Thanks a lot for coming by to the stream. What type of game are you making currently? Tell me. Nick Steven says, on YouTube. Yeah, this is a good comment. So your mom says she mostly went to Roatan and Coco View in French K, but I'm pretty sure she stayed at Coral View in Utila once too. Yeah, that's cool, man. That's cool that your mom came down here to scuba dive. Those are very good places for scuba diving, like some of the best in the Caribbean. So yeah, that's funny, man. Thanks a lot for telling me that. So Timeless says, I'm running Unreal 4. What are the specs on your PC? Okay, answering to the question. Okay, before I go into the specs of my PC, which I am using Unreal Engine 5, let me show you the material. So this is the mesh, people. This is all what the mesh is. It's just a flat fucking square. Let's see here. And the collision, no, this one, lit wireframe, no, wireframe, detail lighting. Okay, this one, see, it's just very simple faces. Yeah, very simple faces, nothing complex. So the heavy lifting is being done by Nanite on the material, adding those additional faces. So we have it flat here. If I connect back the nodes of the displacement, like this one and this one for the normal map, and I go back here, there it is. See, that is fake ass geometry, doesn't exist. Nanite is generating it, and it's very good on performance. So this is a very cool feature of Unreal Engine 5. So Timeless, I'm gonna answer your question now. These are the specs of my PC in which I'm running my Unreal Engine 5. So system, I am running an AMD Ryzen 7 6800HS, 3.2 gigahertz for the CPU, 16 gigabyte RAM, and the GPU. The GPU I'm running, dude, it's the... Can we see the info? Yeah, here it is. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU. Yeah, so this is a laptop, yeah. And Asus Republic of Gamers Zephyrus 14. So thanks for asking, Timeless. So our friend HOM, a lot of years working with Unreal Engine, right? How has your experience been? Why did you went into Unreal Engine? Do you work on a studio? Are you an indie game dev, a solo dev? Which of those? Okay, let's go back into the blueprint we were talking about. Okay, let me see the trees. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm doing like the right. Okay, this could be like the instance mesh, right? Yeah, this will be like the bread. This is very simple stuff, but oh shit. Fuck me. See what happened? Unreal Engine crashed on me. Yeah, I can't remember. Yeah, I think we saved most of what we were doing. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna send and close. So it crashed, and I just opened that fucking NVIDIA app, and it made it crash. That must have been it. For one reason or another one, it made it crash. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading now. So HOM on YouTube, I'm doing a paid task for a company working on my own first-person shooter. Holy shit, dude, that sounds amazing. Do you have like a Steam page? Does it have a name yet? Would very much love to see it if it is at that point. If it isn't, don't worry. I completely understand the indie game dev process, but that sounds like a lot of work, my man. Yeah, sounds like a lot of work. So Knight on X, what other games have you worked on that we may know about? None, Knight. This is my first fully featured game that I'm gonna release, the first one. I have tried to make smaller projects. I have worked with RPG in a Box, Unreal Engine, Unity, Roblox Studio. so many fucking things. And I have made like smaller projects, but this is like the first one that I'm gonna release, dude. Yeah, this is the first one. So HOM says, I'm in both normal. Yeah. So yeah, premium comment from our friend HOM. Normal, Unreal Engine, fucking crashing. Yeah, that's just every game engine is like this, people. They are always fucking crashing all the fucking time. You just get used to that shit. Yeah. Timeless says it crashes a lot on 5 and I went 4 and have no issues. Yeah. That's how it is, dude. That's how it is. But 5 it's so much fun. I really like some very specific features that are from 5. Like Lumen and Nanite. I really like that, how it works. So I just went with 5, right? And also to start like getting the knowledge of the engine, to be with the industry, with the knowledge of the industry. Okay, so no, we didn't lose any progress. Fuck yeah, let's go. So HOM, no Steam page yet. Yeah, I understand, dude. I went a lot of time with no Steam page. And I even launched the Steam page too early, people. Do not launch your Steam page early. You are going to fuck up that launch. The Steam algorithm pushes new pages. So you should have like not the finished game, but something decent to show on the Steam page. If not, it's just gonna happen what happened to me. I had a shitty game with just screenshots, not even a trailer. And that killed my fucking wish list because I opened the Steam page too early. So yeah, I completely get that. No Steam page yet. So Nat says, Natem, what's up? How are you? Natem says on YouTube, hey, what's up? Just passing by while I'm editing a video. Very cool, Natem. This is like the ultimate nerd Friday night, right? Like making games and editing videos. Yeah, that sounds like a nerd. Welcome to the nerd club. Knight says on X, since you're in Honduras, have any power outages caught you any progress when making games? Laugh out loud. No, dude, not anymore. Because I don't know why, man, where I live, the energy has been very stable. But like 3 years ago, I worked online, like giving online classes, and that shit was fucking me over like every fucking 2 days. We were having power cuts, and I had to, these are very funny stories. So let me just find the blueprint. I'm just gonna work on the blueprint while I tell the story. So yeah, I was giving online classes at that time, and yeah, the energy cuts were constant, right? And I had to drive to like fucking Denny's or like fucking Burger King to get on their Wi-Fi, connect my computer, and give the classes from Denny's or fucking Burger King, because they had like their own power plants, right? So yeah, Night completely gets me what I am talking about living in these countries where the government fucking sucks. Yeah, so HOM says on YouTube, yeah, at least alpha, don't do Steam without being ready. Yes, that is like the best piece of advice, because I just took like the literal advice from Reddit. At that time, I just saw like a Reddit post that said, just launch your Steam page, start getting wishlists. And it doesn't make fucking sense to just launch it. You should have something interesting to show. If not, yeah, you can fuck yourself over with the algorithm. Okay, new instance smash. This one's going to be bread. Prop. Market prop 8. Okay. So I'm gonna connect this one. And now you'll see what is going to happen. So if I place this one here, see, we have our bread. our crazy ass bread. And if I start duplicating, we start having like more bread, right? We start duplicating the bread. These are instant meshes done with the construction script. So this isn't the type of bread that we need. Now it looks fucking crazy. Let's go into gameplay mode to see like the fucking market full of bread on the floor. Like this looks like that movie, the one with the hamburgers, right? The hamburger rain. Okay, there it is. We have like now it looks like fucking pumpkins. Doesn't look that stupid. But I just wanted to show. Yeah, I just wanted to show like the bread. And you can see that the bread is randomly placed. So the spacing of the bread is random. Yeah, so let's go and fix this one. But yeah, there it is. That's the blueprint. So yeah, HOM, I very much wish you the best with your first-person shooter. I'm very much interested in knowing what it is about when you're ready to show it. A lot of years of experience in Unreal Engine. Yeah, it's cool. It's really cool that you're here. So Knight, did I answer your question? That was a funny question. Nat M, how is your video editing going? My other game dev friends, how are your projects going? Okay, let's start turning the bread here. So here I have like this random spacing between random spacing between the breads. So how big is the bread? Let's go and see the bread. The bread is, let me see, approximate size 90 by 60 by 75. Okay. This bread is too fucking big, I think. Yes. No, it's fine. It's fine. Let's just say that it's fine. Okay, let's go into the blueprint. And which was the size 90 by 60 by 75. So here we could say like 90 by 60. So 90 by 60. Okay, we're gonna compile this one. So this is the spacing, the random spacing of the bread. Let's place it. Okay, so here's the bread, people. So I just changed the values of that variable, and now see, I can start like adding more bread. It's like closer to each other. So I can bring this, it is random. Every time that I move it, it moves randomly. So this is too fucking big bread now. This may be like a pumpkin store now, but I could make it smaller. But there it is. This took a bit of more time, but I know that I can use this for other places where I want to duplicate these instant meshes quickly. Okay, so I do not like how the light is looking. Yeah, right there. So I can just like do this and reduce the number of breads from one side to the other one, like 3, and see, we're instancing the meshes. Yeah, very interesting. So let me save all of this while I read to the comments. So Natem on YouTube, I'm currently adding subtitles to the video. For now I'm using CapCut automatic subtitles because adding subtitles in Premiere is, yeah, fuck Premiere. Fuck you, Premiere, with your subtitles and your fucking Adobe subscription. CapCut rocks. For subtitles, captions, you are right. That is just the way to go, Nat M. Night on X. Yeah, I am in Seba. Hot weather, dude. hot weather. And the power outages have been really annoying, and even worse with this rain. Yeah, man. The thing is that I think like in every third world country, if you are out of the capital city, like the basic public services are just gonna get worse the most far away you are from the capital city. I think that is like the thing that influences that outcome. So yeah, it makes sense that in Seba the energy sucks, because my family has a house in a place which is 1 hour from the city, the capital city, and the energy also sucks there. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to live stream every night. There are power outages all the time. HOM on YouTube tried to fix some problems with automation with in my own stupid game. Laugh out loud. Yeah, we're all making stupid games, people. These are all fucking stupid games that are a fucking headache, but we love it. We love it. We love to suffer. Making games is a suffering endeavor, and I wouldn't change it for the world. Yeah, that's just how it is. Yeah, Knight says on Twitter, at least the weather is cold now, so that's great. Okay, it's cool that the weather is cold, because when it gets warm there, it gets warm. It fucking sucks. HON, watermelon, make it red. Yeah, I should do the watermelon red. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Francisco Velasquez says, this looks super useful, like to place trees or even buildings. Yeah, dude, I got the code from another blueprint that I am using, that I showed earlier on the stream. This is the code from another blueprint to make forests. I am using this on other maps of the game. So see, this is a very easy way of making forests. So I can just start duplicating the meshes very quickly. And that's how I make forests in Spaceman Memories. See, very quickly. These are instant meshes. That's the power of blueprints, people. Timeless asking, what type of games do you like to play? I wouldn't say, Timeless, that I go for a specific genre. Yeah, specific tile or genre. I just go with what I like at the moment. Yeah, in a specific moment, I can be playing like a first-person shooter. In another moment, I can be playing like an RPG. It's just like the vibe of that certain week or that certain month. But I'm not specifically a fan of any type of game. Yeah, what type of games do you play? Mostly, Timeless. I can tell you that I am not into online gaming. Yeah, because it is so time consuming to be good, right? So you're not always getting fucking killed by other players. So yeah, I don't do online gaming because of that. To get good, you need so much time. If not, you're just gonna be getting fucked over by the guys that are playing 15 hours a day. Okay, so I like the bread. Maybe we can put like some flags inside here, right? Because it looks a bit lonely inside the shop. So the fish hanging from the ceiling could be interesting. Where is the fucking ceiling? Okay. It's a bit dark in here. Okay, this one could be like 4. Let's see how it looks if the camera covers all of what I'm trying to show. So Timeless says RPGs 8 loose and from software fan. Oh, awesome. Yeah. So I got my Steam Deck for development purposes like a couple months ago. I'm using it as a dev kit, right? But also for fucking playing, right? Yeah, not gonna lie, I also bought it for playing. And I've been playing Elden Ring. I hadn't played it on PC, on the laptop. I just played it, I started playing it on the Steam Deck. So because you're talking about what you're saying on the comments, so that's why I mention it. Okay. Let's go. Night. On X, Twitter. Speaking of power outages, one just happened. I need to save my data, so I'm signing up. Okay, Night. Have a good night. Catch you guys another night. You're saying on Twitch, X, Twitter X. Thank you, dude. Thanks for coming by. Really, really appreciate it. Fun conversation, fun stuff. Yeah, you understand me in many ways. So thank you. Hope you can save your data, dude. Hope nothing bad happens to it. So have a good night. Have a good weekend. Thanks for coming by to the stream. Really appreciate it. Okay. There's the fish. Okay, yeah. Nice chop. Now let's make like the baguette shop, right? I'm gonna make another fucking another fucking texture for this one. It doesn't make sense that it has a solar panel if it is in the underground, right? Yeah, doesn't make sense at all. Okay. Cucumber shop. Yeah, I do not like how that looks. The solar panel doesn't make any sense here. So we'll just make a variation. The mesh is okay. We'll just make a variation of the texture in Aseprite. Okay, we're almost there, people, with this floor. And we're gonna go to the other floor. We're gonna make another one. Yeah, just for the sake of it. We can make the other one with another even different look. I already have like the idea for it. So Nat M says on YouTube, I found the Steam Deck at holy shit. So Nat M is saying that in our country, Honduras, she found the Steam Deck at, this would be like 1,000, more than 1,000 fucking dollars on Radio Shack. So Radio Shack sucks here where I live. That's more than 1,000 fucking dollars. What the fuck? It's just insane. Yes, I hadn't finished reading the comment. That is fucking insane. Fuck you, Radio Shack in third world countries. You are just ripping off people. Yeah. HOM says, how many levels are you planning on doing? That is a very good question. Timeless says, I bought Asus Republic of Gamers for the same reason. Yes, these are very good computers. Props to Asus. This is like my third or fourth one. I can't remember, but these are very good computers. Second one of Republic of Gamers, like third or fourth one from Asus, never failed. HOM, answering your question, how many levels are you planning on doing? At the moment, dude, I have, and this is a smaller level, because this one I've just made it like on the live streams, right? I started live streaming like 10 days ago. I started this map from scratch, so this is a smaller map from the game, and at the moment I would say that it's like 7 different worlds. Yeah, 7 different biomes. Yeah, they look different. Yeah, 7 different biomes, but different maps with those different biomes. So I have like this dungeon biome. I'm gonna show it in one of the other streams. I'm just trying to like fix some details so I feel comfortable of showing it. But I have like this dungeon biome, and I'm gonna make different maps with this specific biome, because it's going to be in the underground. You're gonna go in the underground and get memories, fight against some bosses, solve puzzles. So yeah, at the moment, like 6 biomes and different maps with those biomes. Yeah, so I hope that I answered your question. How about you, HOM? Which type of first-person shooter are you aiming for? Is this a multiplayer, single player with story-driven? What is the vibe of the game? Okay, let's make this one like the baguette shop, right? We have the baguettes, and now it's going to be very easy to... Okay, I thought Unreal Engine was gonna crash on me. Got scared for a split second there. Okay, let's bring this light here. Okay. Another version of this. We're gonna make the one with the baguettes. So this one's going to be BP Baguette. BP Baguette 01. This one's going to be... I don't even know now what the fuck this is. If it is bread or if it is pumpkins. Okay, I'm gonna just change... There it is. I'm gonna change it to the baguette. Market prop 09. There it is. There it is, people. And I just need to change the rotation of this one, right? I'm gonna replace this one. Replace selected actors with baguette. There it is. There is our baguette. Now we can start duplicating the baguette. Okay. Okay, so because this one is rotated, I need to change like the axis. So HOM is asking, all will have floors. No, dude. This was an idea that came to me on the live streams. This is the first one. The other ones are like just one overworld level. And the dungeons that I'm talking about are just separate levels that you were going to fast travel. But this is like the first one. I wasn't thinking in a vertical way. I was just thinking in a horizontal way. But I was taking a walk the other day, thinking about the live streams, and I thought like, how can I make this different from what I've been doing? And I don't know why it popped to my mind to start making stuff like in levels, vertical levels. But no, not all will have floors. But now I have to implement them in other places because it looks so nice. HOM on YouTube says about your game. It's a single player dual weapon. It follows Wolfenstein a bit. Awesome. Holy shit, dude. That sounds like a fucking hard game to make. You can do it because all of your years of experience with Unreal Engine. Also, HOM says, make it a watermelon. Yeah, this one. You were talking about this one. Yeah, I should make it red, right? Yeah, we can make the red variation. Because we have like this one that looks like watermelons, right? But we could do these ones also watermelons. Yeah, you're right there. Okay, so we were going back into the blueprint, right? And this one, we were thinking about the axis. Yeah, gotta change this one. I think it's the C, the one that I gotta change. Okay, let me see. Don't know if it's the C because I rotated this mesh. No, that's not the one. Okay, so this one must be it. Okay, yeah, it's this one. Okay, see? Now I start duplicating the baguettes on the right axes. So the bread store is coming along nicely. Yeah. Okay, maybe 2. Nah, 3. This one, 4. So HOM. Yeah, I'm gonna make them watermelons. The other ones. Yeah, you're right. You're very right. How long have you been working on your game? Your first-person shooter, by the way. Okay, let's go and see the bread shop. It's crazy, right? Because these are like cumbersome details to make in the game, like these smaller props, but they do bring a game world to life. Yeah. See the food, like the wooden buckets, the barrels. I don't know if they're buckets or barrels, but yeah, this takes time, but adding those details really does make things look very nice. Okay, we've got like the first shop here. We're gonna add like some flags between there, and we have the baguette shop. The fucking baguettes. Yeah, Timeless says HOM first on YouTube. It's taking me a lot of time, but it's fun, so who cares? Welcome to the club, dude. My game is taking me a lot of time now at this point, but it's a lot of fun, so who fucking cares? We should print that and put it on the wall. Timeless says watermelon should be green. Yeah, watermelon should be green. So HOM says about 1.5 years so far. I'm not good at art, so that part is a pain in the butt. Laugh out loud. Yeah, that's just how it is, man. We cannot be good at everything. Yeah, completely get you. Completely get you. Okay, let's place some flags between the shops. See, very nice, very nice, very nice. These grids have been very, very helpful. Okay, so now this gets interesting, because I want to make like the other lift, right? So I gotta think about how to manage this floor again, like what I did on this other side here. I'm gonna do that in the other wall. So, because I'm using the same instance meshes for the floor. So let me think here what I'm gonna do. Okay, yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move this one to the right. So now this creates a problem here. So I'm just gonna reduce the number. Yeah, there it is, from 24 to 23 instant meshes horizontally. And now I can just duplicate this one. Yeah. Go with this one. Okay, yeah. We need like the same type of hole right there for the other elevator. See? There we have it. Yeah. So now I can just bring the other lift so we can do the other level. We're gonna make that one different. Not the same vibe. Definitely not the same vibe. Okay, so there it is. See, very quickly, because these are all blueprints, we start making good progress. And it fits, because I am using the scaling on the moving. It fits. So I'm just gonna turn this one, transform mirror on X. Yes, X. And let's move this wall a bit to the back. Snap in, pivot, set pivot offset here. Okay, there it is, people. We have the other lift. Okay, Emma Watson 00 on Kick, how are you? I am fine, thanks for asking. How are you? Let me know. Are you also into making games? Okay, let's go and use the other lift now. Okay, so there it is. It works. This one works. Now we're gonna go down there. So you're fine. Very happy to know that. Are you also into making games? Are you a coder, artist, programmer, musician? Oh, where are you from? You're asking. I am from Central America, from Honduras. That's where I'm from. Okay, see? We can go now to the other level, right? So there's nothing here. There's nothing. I can just fucking jump. Goodbye, fucking spaceman. You're fucking dead. Awesome. So I can start with the other level. I'm just gonna extend, because this is also a blueprint, so it is very easy for me to just extend the size of it. So I'm gonna move this one here. Okay, no, not that one. Yeah, this. See? I just extended it. Yeah, that's enough for me. Okay, so let's start. So, HOM, you are in NPCs? Yes. Yes, dude. This is a full story game. So there are going to be NPCs, conversations, and everything. You can see that, a bit of that, on the trailer. So I am sending right now on the chat, I am sending the Steam link for Spaceman Memories for anyone that wants to watch the trailer. I have like 2 trailers, one that is a shorter one, the longer one. In the longer one, you can see some kind of conversations and interactions with NPCs. You can see them around the world in the trailer. Yeah, I haven't added NPCs to this map because I haven't thought about how am I going to connect it. But yeah, man, very good question. There it is on the chat. There it is, the link to Spaceman Memories. Please wish it list on Steam. Would really appreciate that. So Emma Watson 00 on Kick. Do you stream daily or in a specific schedule? I have been streaming daily for like I don't know, 10 days now, at a very specific schedule, which is this one, like from 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time from the US to 12:30 p.m. to just a bit after midnight. So 3 hours. That is my schedule. Yeah. And I will be going like daily until I get fucking tired and I need a free day. That's what I'm gonna do. There's no plan here. Okay, so the lift works. We can go to the other level. See? I can just start adding the other floor. So this will be very easy. You will see how easy this is. I'm gonna move all of this down there. So HOM says, watching it on Steam. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. Really appreciate that you went into the link. So Emma Watson 00 on Kick. Are you streaming for fun or is it your profession? Both. Emma Watson 00. I am streaming for fun, but this is also my work. My game is my work. This is my current profession, being an indie game dev. So both are true. Yeah, thanks for asking. That is a very good question. Both are true. Yeah, I am streaming for fun, just for the sake of showing how the game is made, also to make friends, game developer friends, creative friends, whichever type of new people I can meet. I have been loving the process of it. Okay, so I need to extend this one. Yeah, down here. Okay, there it is. We've got the other floor, but I'm not gonna use this texture, people. I'm gonna use another one just to make it interesting. So let's find another one of my floors. So dungeon floor, maybe this one. What about this one? Okay, this one looks interesting. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one. I like this one. Okay, Emma Watts 00. Can I ask you one thing? Yeah, you can. If it isn't like an uncomfortable question, I will answer it. Yeah, go for it. Okay, I'm just gonna replace all of this with this one. Replace actors with this one. Okay. Replace selected actors with this one. And replace selected actors with this one. Okay, so now I'm just gonna flip them. Transform. Mirror. No, that's not the axis. Transform mirror Y. Is it fucking Y? No, it's not fucking Y. This is stupid. This is stupid. I'm just gonna do the logical thing to do. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Okay, awesome. So this one shouldn't be here. This one can extend to here. Yeah, there it is. I just need to leave the space, right, for the elevator. And see, the floor just snaps with each other. Very cool, right? Also, this is also nanite. These are not like faces that I modeled. This is the material, that displacement. Also nanite. Very, very interesting. Okay, let's save before anything bad happens. So Emma Watson 000 on Kick, why you didn't customize your channel yet? Like by adding some cool stuff on it, like customized logo, banner, panels, and overlay stuff. Okay, so Emma Watson, that 00 on Kick, that is a very interesting question. I would say that the reach, I haven't felt compelled about it, specifically on Kick, because you're like the first person I receive a message from Kick. It seems like, oh shit, Unreal Engine crashed. Fucking again. It crashed. Holy shit. So Emma Watson. Yeah, I was talking about the Kick channel. Yeah, the reach on Kick has been very low engagement, very low views and everything. So I haven't felt that compelled to do that. Yeah, it seems like the software and game development section of Kick is almost dead. So I have put my mind more into YouTube and Twitch. But that's a good question. So you say you're an illustrator. Yeah, I'm also a graphic designer and illustrator by profession. So I make my own stuff. You can see that on the other channels and on my X, on my Instagram, everywhere. But thanks a lot for saying it. Yeah, really appreciate it. I will certainly look into your work. Okay, so task manager. This is the game dev life, people. You're doing like simple stuff and it fucking crashes. Let's see what it saved. I hadn't saved some of the progress. I think. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, let's save like the food scene props while it loads. Let's go and see the references to see like what can we do. Okay. Let's go and see Google while Unreal Engine loads again. Yeah, Emma Watson. Yes, I have a Discord. You can find me as NerdyPunkDev. It is the same username that I'm using on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, NerdyPunkDev. You can find me. Not M on YouTube. I'm gonna leave for today. I'm tired as fuck. Good night to you, Not M. Have a good weekend. Thanks for coming by. Really appreciate it. I hope you finish your video editing. Yeah. I am looking forward to see your your video editing work. You should show me one of these days. So thanks a lot for coming by. Really, really appreciate it. Bye bye. Okay. Dungeon design. Okay. So we're gonna make this one even darker because it's like the lower floor, right? This is like the more lower floor. Okay. I'm seeing some interesting stuff here. We should have like some fireplace, right? Yeah. This one should have like on the walls like flames. Yeah. Like the torches. Yeah. I'm thinking about torches. Okay, did you load Unreal Engine? Okay, it says that the autosave catch some stuff. Restore selected. Awesome. The following assets, BP baguette, could not be successfully checked out from revision control. Okay, doesn't matter. We just lost the baguette. Let's hope it's just a fucking baguette. Okay. Oh. All of this fucking progress from this side. We fucking lost it. I should have saved, people. I should have saved. But that's just the way it is. Fuck me. Fuck me. Okay. I'm gonna make the baguettes. Why didn't I fucking save? I was just talking. I was just like in the conversation, right? Okay. Okay. So this one goes here. This one goes here. Gonna delete this one. Okay. There are the baguettes. So the member monkey. That's unfortunate. Yeah, man. But you know how it is, dude. You know how it is. You're also a game developer. You know how all of this software is. Yeah. You just get used to it, right? You don't get frustrated anymore. It's just the perks of using all of this software. It crashes. That's life. But it shouldn't be crashing, right? We shouldn't be rationalizing that software crashes. I was just seeing a talk about that the other day. A very interesting talk. We were talking about this guy yesterday, the guy from Braid, right? The guy from The Witness. And sometimes he rants about very simple stuff, right? He gets very angry about very simple stuff. But sometimes he says things that are very true. And he was giving this talk like in a programmer convention about... It was like a very high level thought, like preventing the collapse of civilization by making better software, because the software is getting buggier and buggier and buggier every year, and it doesn't get fixed. And it's just problematic. So yeah, that is a very true thing. Software should be more stable. Yeah, game engines are like the one of the things that should be more stable. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so easy peasy. Nothing bad here. Nothing bad happened here. So HOM. Yeah, the purple crying face emoji on YouTube. I can't fix a bug in motion matching. I've been on it for 3 fucking hours. That's just how it is, man. That's just how it is. I was telling someone the other day because someone asked me like, why don't you work more on blueprints on the live streams, like more coding, like the battle system, like the NPCs and interactions? And it's just, people, that it is fucking hard. It's just the same thing that HOM is saying, like even visual scripting, not even writing code. It is fucking hard. You can go like in everything, like these systems, you can go like 3 hours with just one bug, and that would be fucking stupid, right? Like live streaming like one bug for 3 hours trying to solve that bug, that would be very embarrassing for me. So that's why I don't do it. But one of these days we will work on the battle system and other stuff on the live streams. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's move this one a bit to the back. Transform, pivot point, set pivot offset here. Okay, there it is. Let's bring the lift again. So because the way I made all of my assets, I can move this lift anywhere and it will just snap because of the units that I'm using for my world building. Yeah, every one of these squares that you see there from floors and some assets are the same scale. So I can move things around and it snaps with that scaling. And see, it just fits. Exactly. It fits exactly. Okay, so this one, transform, mirror on X. Yes, there it is. This one, pivot point. Okay, almost there. Okay, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Looks nice. Okay, awesome. Okay, I'm gonna save now before anything bad happens. So the member monkey on YouTube, and speaking of him, I was checking out Jai earlier, and it's a cool language. I'm interested in learning it when it goes public. Yes, Jai seems like a very interesting endeavor. Very, very interesting endeavor. Fucking difficult. I would assume I wouldn't even understand what this guy is doing, like the technical stuff. But just thinking about, I want to make some shit that replaces like fucking C++, because I fucking hate C++. That is his thought. I'm just like saying his words. He hated the language and he said, I'm gonna make my own. So that is a very interesting line of thought. So the member monkey says, I've worked for hours trying to figure out a bug just to find out I made a 1-letter typo. Yeah, dude, the other day I was just trying to make like the fucking lift. Was very simple blueprint code, but just because I wasn't focused, I didn't even figure it out on the live stream. I was just like 40 minutes, 1 hour trying to figure it out. Then after the live stream, the next day, the next morning, I did it and I solved it in 2 minutes. Yeah, those types of bugs are fucking stupid. Nick Stevens says on YouTube, I figured out the issue with my little punk clone. Awesome, Nick. You should upload it to the YouTube shorts so we can see it tomorrow. Yeah. Also, Nick Stevens, it was the simplest thing in the world. Yeah. See what we're talking about? Imagine you were live streaming about the punk clone and you were like 3 hours on the fucking bug that threw the ball to the sides. It would be kind of lame, right? So that's why I don't go into coding that much stuff on the live stream, besides making things that I am sure how to make them, because it is a slow process, people. It is a slow, buggy process. So Nick Stevens says, I just had to say that 2D physics material on the ball. Awesome, dude. It's great that you solved it. It's great that you solved it. Very happy for you. Okay, so we've got like the other floor. Everyone's talking about their bugs. About their bugs in game development. This is the life, people. That's just how it is. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah. Okay. Keep telling stories, people. Keep telling those horror stories of things being difficult. So getting back to the Member Monkey, yeah. Where were you checking Jai? The language. We're talking about the language made by Jonathan Blow, the one from The Witness. He's making his own programming language. Where were you checking it? On a video? Or is there like... I know that there is an early beta, right? Yeah. Okay. So there's our floor. Okay, the walls. The fucking walls. Before anything bad happens. Okay, there it is. That's cool. And this one. There it is. That's cool. Okay. So now this one we were talking about doing. I'm gonna save. So now I'm just gonna be fucking saving like every 30 seconds. Okay, not this one. Yeah, this one was the one that we were going to use, right? So I'm just gonna replace this one. Replace selected actors. Okay, there it is. No. Transform mirror on X. Okay, awesome. So yeah, the Member Monkey. Yeah, there's a closed beta talking about the Jai language. I was watching a video of someone who got access to the beta and was giving his thoughts on it. Was it the Primogen? I saw that the Primogen was making some videos about Jai. Or who was it? If it wasn't the Primogen. Okay. How was he going to approach this? Oh yeah, this. Yeah, there it is. Now I'm just gonna move this one here. Nice. This one here. And see, very quickly we have the floor again. There it is, our other level. Okay, so we're gonna change the walls of this one. Yeah, just for the sake of making it a bit different. But this looks like an interesting dark place. Okay. How about this? Where is that light coming from? Yeah, I'm thinking about that light. Okay, well, I'll fix that later. I'm gonna procrastinate it for now, just for the sake of making progress. I'm gonna save this one. Do not crash on Unreal Engine. Yes, thank you. Okay, so the Member Monkey. I'm looking again, and the video is a year old, so I don't know if Jai is public or not yet. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, another programmer. So the Member Monkey couldn't find the Primogen's video about it. HOM. This is like the best fucking idea I have heard people on all of the live streams. HOM on YouTube. You're laughing at me and you're saying we need a saving bot. Yes, fuck yeah. Someone create a fucking saving bot. Cause the autosave doesn't save like everything all the time. We need like a saving bot that is going to go auto-saving for us. Like moves the mouse, goes to file, save all. Yeah, that would very much be like the greatest invention of all time. The Member Monkey, does Unreal Engine have an autosave feature? Yes, it has. It has an autosave feature, but sometimes it doesn't cache everything. Yeah. It works alright, but sometimes it doesn't catch everything. Yeah, that's just how it is. Okay, let's go and see our new floor. Our new underground floor. Okay, we lost a bit of the progress right here, like some of the flags and some of the crates that were around here. I'm gonna add that in a bit. But there it is. There's our baguette shop. Yeah, nice. Okay, the lift. We go down there, and there's our other floor. Nice, 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 nice. I like the floor, but I do not like this wall. So I'm just gonna try and use another one. I think I have the right one for this. Yeah, this one should be the right one for this. Okay. So what the fuck is happening? Yeah, it was like compiling the shader. I was like, what the fuck is this? Okay, so this wall will look very nice, people. Okay, this one I should flip it, transform, mirror on next, right? Yeah, there it is. There's our wall. Okay, awesome. So this doesn't look that clear right now because we do not have lights down there. So let's just bring a couple lights so you can see it. Okay, save before anything bad happens. Yeah, I'm seeing like some crazy ass shadows, right? Okay, maybe some of this. Okay, see how nice it looks? See the texture of this one? It's like bricks, like older bricks. So it looks very, very interesting for like a second underground level. Yeah, maybe this one will not be like this pink, right? Maybe this one. The blue. Yeah. Fuck yeah, the blue one. Okay, let's save. Are you saving Unreal Engine? Oh, I don't know if it is saving or if it crashed again. See, sometimes in the most simple things, I can go like 8 fucking hours, 12 fucking hours without the engine crashing. That's just some days. Some days I can go like 1 hour and I will have 3 crashes in 1 hour. It's like a person. It has good days and it has bad days. Today it's having a bad day. It crashed again. But I saved. No problem. The progress is saved. Task Manager has been very good for us today, right? Yeah. Okay, let me see. Magical dungeon design. Yeah, let's see some ideas that we can get from it. So the member monkey, I wonder what is causing all of these crashes. That's just how it is, man. It isn't anything specific. There are days like I can be like working in even more complex stuff and doing things that are even more need even more performance, and it doesn't crash. It can go like 12 hours, 20 hours without crashing. And sometimes there are just days like this one. Yeah, I have like, this is just like the second live stream of 10 live streams in which it has crashed. Like the other 8 live streams, like, so it would be like 80% of the time it doesn't crash for me. But yeah, it's just a bad day for him today. Yeah, that's just how it is. It's nothing specific. Yeah, it just happens. Okay, yeah, we didn't lose the progress, right? Yeah, there it is. See, nothing bad happened. So I was saving, so things are good. We are good, people. Okay, so I was going to make this one blue, right? Yeah, the blue looks nice. 2000. Yeah, no. This one. At least so we are able to go here to the underground level and we can see like some lighting happening. Okay. What else? This one. Yeah, we'll make the gate. Pivot point, set pivot offset. Pivot offset here snapped. Where are you? Okay, yeah, there it is. Okay. Nice. Now we're gonna be able to see like this other underground level. There's nothing here. I haven't even figured out what I'm gonna do here. I'm just using these live streams like a canvas, right? Like painting a canvas, trying ideas, adding new stuff to see how things turn out. Yeah, I'm going into like flow mode. Okay, so see that it looks very interesting now that we have the underground level. We can see it now there. Yeah, that's very cool. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go down there so we can see how the light is looking. So that what you saw there, it was me getting into the area of the shop. It changes the camera. It's not a bug. Yeah, that's just getting into the area of the shop. Okay, gotta populate some stuff here. It's a bit lonely in this part. Let's go to the lift. Okay, awesome. So see, this is looking rather nice, rather interesting. I like the texture of the floor. This looks like a more mysterious place. There is light leaking from the outside. As you can see the clouds. I am gonna fix that later, tomorrow, off stream. Yeah, and I'll come back to tomorrow's stream with that fix, with that light leaking from the outside. I'm just not gonna put attention to that for the moment. Okay, but there it is. Yeah, let's see what we can add to this other floor. Let's go into Google. We were seeing like the bad thing about Google now. It's that it's true that you're in the time that we live in. When you try to find an image, there's going to be a lot of AI stuff that isn't necessarily good looking. Like very, very shitty prompts. Yeah. So sometimes you go looking for stuff and you're gonna see things like this that, yeah, doesn't look that nice. There's like AI generated stuff that looks like decent ideas that you can use as visual references, right? But now like the whole web is getting like this contamination of bad stuff because it's just so many images. Now, yeah, it's a mix of good and very bad stuff. The internet, when you're searching for images. Okay, underground dungeon, Japan. Let's see. Okay. This one looks interesting. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I know what we can add here. I have some props. I think we will make a variation of this prop. So let's go back into Crocotile. No, let's go back into Aseprite. I know which prop I'm gonna try and use. So props, this one, Dosujins. So this one is a Japanese figure. This one are the Dosujins in Japan. Dosujin. So you can remember Dosujins from Spirited Away movie. You can see it here. These are Dosujins. I am using my own version of these Japanese figures that you can find in shrines, in forests. They are these spiritual statues. So we could try and do some Dosujins, but I have some, but I think we will do this ones with another colors. So this is the Dosujin texture that I currently have. Let me grab this one. Yeah, it's this one, right? But the green, I do not like the green for that underground. Maybe for some places, but not for that underground specifically. So maybe we can edit this one, like adjustments, hue, saturation. Yeah, something more blue, a bit more saturated. We could make them glow, right? So HOM says, hey, Unreal Engine crashes for what we call conflict issues, mainly setting memory leak or plugins configuration. Okay, dude, that is a very good insight. So answering the question of Memory Monkey and asking you back, because is this something that we can control, or it's just how it is? Because sometimes I am making more complex stuff than what I am making today, and I don't have any issues with any memory leaking or crashing. It just doesn't crash for even more complex stuff. So it is something under our control, or it's just how it is, what it is that you are saying. Okay, we'll go with this one, bluish, and we'll make the eyes glow. Yeah, we will make the eyes glow. Okay, so this is the mask for the, and the mouth also, the mouth. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so this is the mask. I'm just gonna save this one. So HOM says on YouTube, are you using hot reload? Do not know. Or autosave? Yes, I am using autosave. It helps to take them off. Okay, that's interesting, dude. That's interesting. I will try to work tomorrow without. I'm gonna look at the hot reload. Yeah, and I'm gonna disable the autosave to see if it is more stable for me. Thanks a lot for the advice. Really appreciate it. So good stuff today from our friend HOM, which has been working with Unreal since 2018, you told me, right? Yeah, so quite a while ago. So this one text is going to be text Dosujin 2. I'm gonna export it. This one's going to be my mask, text Dosujin glow mask. Okay, awesome. So let's go back into Crocotile. I'm just gonna save here. Yeah, it's saving. There it is. And let's open that scene. We're gonna save this one. Gonna load that scene. And props. Dosujin. Here it is. Okay, so this is the one that we currently have, right? I'm using it on forests on the game, certain shrines, certain important places. These are spiritual statues from Japan. So I'm gonna replace this one with this one. Oh, interesting. The vibe changes. The vibe changes. Yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna just export the tile set. I just need like the UVs. Yeah, or let me see. Let me see if I even need this. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is all that I'm going to do. No, I'm just gonna export it from Crocotile. So this one's going to be exporting. And what is the name of this one? So HOM on YouTube, we can fix crashes, we can only minimize them. Yes, that's what I was saying to the Memory Monkey. It's just how it is. It's not like something specific. Like I am using the autosave feature, and there are days like it can go like 15 hours, 20 hours without crashing. Nothing happens. It's just how it is. So HOM says on YouTube, it looks good. Yeah, it looks interesting, right? We will see how nice it looks in that like underground level, like the third floor of the world. And we will see the eyes glowing. This will look like a dark, spiritual place, a sketchy place. Okay. So I'm gonna export this one. I just wanna see what my naming convention was for this one. So props Dosujin. This one is text Dosujin 01. Okay. Dosujin 01. I'm gonna export the scene. This one's gonna be Dosujin 02. And the mesh is the same one. Same mesh. Okay, let's go back into Unreal. Overworld props. Where are you? Okay. Here it is. Okay, that's another one. I'm gonna import the texture. This is a different one, right? I just need the texture. I don't even need the mesh, people. I just need the texture. Because I already have the mesh. Okay, so there it is. There's the texture. We're gonna make this one 2D pixels unfiltered. Let's go back to Aseprite so we can do the mask. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna save this one as text Dosujin glow mask. Okay, great. There it is. Just gonna create a very simple material with this one. Matte Dosujin 02. Okay, awesome. So okay. Awesome. So if I place this one here, right, now I can just place the Dosujin material. There it is. There it is, people. No, not here. What the fuck am I doing? It's in the other floor. Here. Yeah. Fuck yeah. We can make these ones a bit bigger, right? So you'll see these ones on the forests of Spaceman Memories. You can clearly see them on the trailer, on the gameplay trailer, on the Steam page. So HOM says, be right back. Thanks, my dude. Thanks for telling me. Really appreciate it. We'll make the eyes glow in a bit, people. So the member monkey says, it's 1 a.m. for me and I'm getting pretty tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night. Thank you, the member monkey. It's almost 1 a.m. for me also. In like 18 minutes, I'm gonna go to sleep also. Thanks a lot for coming by. Really, really appreciate it. Hope you have a good weekend. I'm coming back tomorrow if you wanna talk. So have a good rest. Keep working on your game. Also, share a bit of it, dude. Share a bit of it on the Discord server. I would very much like to see it. Will bring me good memories from my Roblox studio times. Okay. Is this one correct? Oh yeah, fucking stupid. This should be black. That one, yeah. Okay, that's what I need. Report with new file. There it is. So this is our mask. Okay, nice. So I'm just gonna grab from one of my other assets. Yeah, the glowing rock. This one. I'm just gonna grab this. This one's going to be Dosojin glow mask. Awesome. And which color is it gonna glow? Maybe yellow? Yeah, maybe the yellow looks interesting. Okay, there it is. Let's see how it looks in gameplay, because it's different, people. It's different from the in-engine view. Let's try 8 in the glow. So before anything bad happens, again, let's save everything. So the member monkey on YouTube, yeah, I want to show it off, but I don't think it's ready yet. No problem, dude. Completely understand. I really need to stop trying to make everything perfect and just continue working. Yes, that is like the best advice you could give to anyone else and to yourself. So yeah, no pressure, no pressure. Keep working on it, and when you're ready, you can show it off on the Discord server. So thanks a lot, dude. Thanks a lot. Have a good night. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's go and see the Dosujins, the spirit statues on the underground. Okay, awesome. There they are. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe they glow too much, but the glowing is nice. Maybe 4, maybe half of that. It's a long walk now. Yeah, it's definitely a long walk to down there. Yeah. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, before that, let's just finish here. It's disorganized to go working in some other shit that I haven't, if I haven't finished here. Okay, let's bring up some crates. Awesome. I'm just gonna place a bunch of random fucking crates just for the sake of this part not being alone. Okay, we need also these lanterns. We need one of these here. Okay, one there. And one here. And another one here. Yeah, the pink lights. Yeah. Okay. Now this place doesn't look that lonely, right? And the fucking glowing rocks. Okay. Yeah, now it looks decent. Okay, let's go down there. I'm gonna save here. Do not crash. Unreal Engine. Yeah, thank you very much. Awesome. Also, my other friends, Zach, you still there? Nick, you still there? If you're watching, thanks a lot for still watching. Timeless, also. Yeah, we had good conversations today. Yeah, I'm just checking out the comments. I know it's late for many people right now. It's also late for me. Okay, so yeah, I like the 4 and the glowing. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, definitely. Okay, this looks nice. This is starting to look like a different place, right? More mysterious. Much more of a mysterious place. We can start populating it. Yeah, I think we'll do this almost certainly most of it tomorrow, because today we are almost running out of time. But let's just add like some finishing touches to this. How do these ones look down here? Nah, I'm not gonna use that ones. I know which ones I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use no, not that one. This one. Yeah. This one. Yes. Maybe we can make them bigger. Yeah. These ones will look nice with the vibe of the place, right? This is a different place, like an older place. Like many things were built on top of this throughout the centuries. No. I'm just eyeballing there. Maybe it isn't the right space between them, but I'm just trying to set the scene. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta fix the light leaking from the outside. Yeah, we'll fix that later. Because we do not have this issue here, but we have it here. I will fix it later. Okay, let's go see how this is looking. This is nice. I like the mix of the cyberpunk vibes, right? Like the lift is very cyberpunk, But going down here, it's like, holy shit, this isn't cyberpunk anymore. These are other vibes. It really changes the vibe of the whole place just by changing the floor, changing the assets, changing the kind of lighting. It really changes. This doesn't look cyberpunk until I walk on top of the lift. So that is very nice. I like that. So HOM says it looks pretty good, man. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Really appreciate you're sticking by on the stream up until this point, because it is ending, I think, on a high note. I really like the vibe of that new place down there, this other level. So thinking about the game in this way, like vertically instead of horizontally, has brought some good ideas in these last few live streams. Yeah, so it's interesting. Yeah. Let me see. What else can we add here? Maybe this place will be a bit... Let's look at some references, right? Yeah. What could we have here? Yeah, so HOM says it looks like a dungeon. Yeah, that is the point. That it started to look like a dungeon. Yeah. That was the point. So the objective of today was accomplished. Definitely. Okay, so let's see like some Zelda Dungeon, Link's Awakening, to see like which kind of things, ideas can we get, because Zelda gets a lot of ideas from Japan as a country, as a place. So you can, it doesn't look like it, but many things do come from it in many ways. It's obvious, right? Because it's a Japanese game, but many people would think that it doesn't have elements of the Japanese culture inside the world specifically, but it does. It does. Even if it is this guy with a sword, this knight with a sword, which would be more like a European character. But it does on the world design. Oh, we were talking about torches, right? Or a fire lighting. I've got some assets I got from the Unreal Engine marketplace, now called Fab. I think I have this one. Okay, that floor, that fire looks fire. This fire looks fire. What if we start like adding some torches? So HOM says thanks for the info. Yeah, thanks to you, dude. Also, where the fuck is the fire? Duration, just one. Okay, so this could be infinite, right? I like this one. So how could we use this one? Maybe we could make like some logs, right? Or a fire on the floor, or maybe we could make like the torches. Let me see, like torches on a torches dungeon. So we can see like the placement. So the obvious one is like in the walls, right? But I do not want to go that way, like placing the torches like the obvious way, like on the wall. So I'm trying to see like if there is like any other place. Yeah, in Zelda I remember there were some on the corners, like in some platforms, like this one that I'm having here. Yeah, like this. We'll see. Let's look. Let's look at the ideas. Yeah, so the obvious ones are on the walls, right? But I do not want to go that way, because I don't want to place anything on this wall. Doesn't make much sense for me because we already have this lantern. So let's just see how the vibe of placing some fireplace on the floor looks right. So do we have some wood logs? I do not think we have some wooden logs. So let's do that. This one will be very easy very quickly. I don't know if I should go and do it because I'm almost out of time here. So maybe we could do that tomorrow, but just for the sake of making the progress, I think I will grab this one. Okay, we'll make this one. Yeah, we'll turn this shed into a log for a fireplace. Okay, yeah, I will just do it in Unreal Engine. I will not go into Crocotile. Okay, so where is this overworld? Where is that one? Underground. Where are you? Troll Market. Tent. Yeah, here it is. Wooden pole. Okay, so I'm just gonna scale this one down to make. So HOM says, yeah, save it for tomorrow. Yeah, I should save like the fireplace for tomorrow because I'm almost at the 3-hour mark. But I'm just gonna grab this one just for testing, playing around purposes. I will do like a well done fireplace tomorrow. Yeah, this one it's just for the sake of seeing the fire. Yeah, but I will do a good fireplace tomorrow, definitely. So how about if we place it here? This could be like those fireplaces, right, from like an important place, like from Dark Souls or Elden Ring. Okay. Yeah, I don't like the wood. Doesn't look nice, but this is just for testing purposes to check out the vibe. So let me grab one of this, maybe some of this barrels, some of these crates, so we can bring them down there just to see some props. Doesn't look that lonely. But tomorrow I will create new stuff just for this underground level. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's come here. Okay, we've got the fireplace, right? Let's save it. I just want to start setting the scene visually, trying to understand what do I want to make here for tomorrow. So let's go and see how it looks. And 3-hour mark. So thanks a lot everyone for watching. This was a very good stream. Had a lot of fun. Very good conversations, insightful stuff, fun stuff. Yeah, thanks a lot everyone for watching. Do come back tomorrow to keep talking and making games, sharing about everyone's processes. Okay, let's go down there. The lift works. Awesome. And I like the fireplace. Yeah. Now it looks like a dungeon, right? We have like the glowing eyes, spiritual statues. Yeah. Those lanterns from a dungeon. So this is looking rather nice. So HOM says, good luck, bro. Good luck to you, bro. Also, hope to see you tomorrow or any of these other days. I will just keep live streaming. This was a fun live stream, people. Really appreciate for anyone that was watching. Let's come back tomorrow and keep working on Spaceman Memories. If you're watching, do not forget to wishlist the game on Steam. I am sending the link on the chat again. And also, for anyone that wants to join the Discord, you can ask questions about the development of Spaceman Memories, any tips about any knowledge that I have. If I do not have it, I will tell you. If I have it, I will help you in anything that I can. And you can find me on my Discord server. I just placed it on the chat also. So thanks a lot everyone for watching. This was Spaceman Memories development, live game development with Unreal Engine. Fun night, good stories, good ideas, interesting stuff. Yeah, liking how everything is starting to turn out in this new crazy map that I didn't even have a week ago. So thanks everyone for watching. I will see you, all of you guys, tomorrow. Have a good night or a good morning wherever you are. Thank you. Bye bye.